All right, so we have another repair today. Aldo has a little hole in his jacket here. We got some of the insulation coming out, and we're going to do a patch on it, right? All right, so when insulation comes out like this, the thing that you definitely don't want to do is start pulling on it, because there's more that's going to come out. In this case, it's synthetic insulation, so we can just trim it off. But if there's down poking through, I like to go on the inside of it and pull everything back through from the back side. And so everything's pulled back in there. Now we just want to look at our spot here and see if we need to clean it up a little bit with the scissors. There's a couple raggedy edges here. I will trim those off real lightly. And then, Bud, I need you to help me clean this off because I'm sure it's really dirty. So we're going to take a little bit of rubbing alcohol.
Why is a lot of things made out of alcohol?
A lot of things are made out of alcohol. Well, they just are. All right, you want to help me wipe it off? So just rub it all around there real good. There you go. Clean it up. Good job. That's good. Yeah, it was kind of dirty. So we'll let this evaporate off there. And while we're doing that, there's a lot of repair tapes out there. Tenacious tape. No-sew patches is a really good one. They have all kinds of cool things. These are just Gear Aid pre-cut patches. We have all kinds of shapes here. So you got your regular circles and squares and triangles. You'll notice that they all have the pre-cuts. They all have rounded edges. So if you get regular tenacious tape and you have to cut your own patch, you want to make sure that you trim the edges to make them round. If you have sharp edges like this, they'll get caught on things and the patch will start to pull off. So if you we want to make sure it's as permanent as possible, so we want to make those soft edges. They also make these cool ones that have like animal shapes. I think they even have a Sasquatch out there and stuff. Aldo picked this fish. So he wants this fish, right? The big one. So we're going to do that fish. We want this to dry off here. And now, what I'll have you do, Aldo, is we want to trim this off a little bit. All right. We want this to be nice and flat. So when we put the fish on there, it has a flat spot to stick to, okay? So I want you to take both of your hands and push down on both sides of this. Can you do that? All right, go ahead. Good job. So hold it there, and I'll get your fish off here. All right, we got our fishy patch. All right, bud, down on both sides there. Spread it out real good. Make sure it's flat. Hold it like that. I'm going to put the fish over it here. Make sure we go down even. We don't want any wrinkles.
Okay, now can I go back?
And then I'm going to push it down.
But can it still stay with the wrinkles?
Yep. Now it'll be bonded to your jacket. Stuck on there real good. You can even wash it like this. We probably need to wash it. And so you got the fish on there over his hole. And now we're all patched up and it's good to go. So again, we really like to repair and reuse all of our gear as much as possible. We invested good money in it. This is Patagonia. Obviously, Patagonia can be a little pricey, but it does last a really long time. He's actually made it through 2 seasons with this. We find that a lot of their jackets give extra room for growing, so highly recommend them. But you know, like all gear, they're an investment, and we want to take care of them. So, but we like to go outside, right? And what happens when you go outside? Things get torn up and dirty, but that's all right, right? What do we do if they get dirty?
Wash them.
Wash them. What do we do if they get torn up?
Patch them.
Patch them. Yep, that's right. All right, so that'll do it for us. Keep a lookout for more repairs as they come around, and like, follow, subscribe, all that jazz, and check out our upcoming courses and programs. See you later.
What do you think, buddy?
Good?
Good? What did you learn?
I don't know.
Huh? You
What?
think you can fix the next one?
If I watch the
Should
video,
stop
I
this.
think I can.
Huh? What, bud?
If I watch the video, I think I
That
can.
you watch the video to figure out how to do it again?
Mhm.